it's me again, and today I'm doing my mini mission for May, and the word for this month is nature. And it says, of seas and mountains, trees and rivers, use fibres and textures of natural origin, a colour palette of earthy tones and hues. So I'm going with the sea, a seahorse, and some seaweed and bubbles. So shall we make a start? I'll turn you to overhead. Okay, so I'm going to be using my A5 landscape journal today, and I've already given my page a coating of gesso. I'm going to be using this seaweed, this stencil, which is from Clarity Stamps. Is it? Yes, it's from Clarity. And I'm going to be using PBO paints today. I'm going to be using the iridescent green blue, orange yellow iridescent. I'm going to use the green hue and the white as well. So let's make a start. Now for the sea, I just thought this colour would work really well, so I'm just going to put a blob on and get my baby wipe and cut it in half, and I'm just going to swoosh it round. There's a nice sea colour. Kind of doing wiggly lines. I don't want it straight. There we go. So that's that done. I'm going to give a quick blast to the heat gun. There we go. Just wipe that up. And I'm going to use a makeup sponge and some of the green hue. And I'm going to add some of the seaweed just along the bottom. I can get hold of it. Here we go. I'm just going to move along the page, along the bottom of my page. I do like seahorses, and I thought I'd do a nice orange seahorse today, just for a change. And next month for June, I'm doing a series on Under the Sea. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. There we go. I quite like the way that's kind of feathered out. It almost looks like the seaweed has weed, so to speak. And we'll just wipe that mess up. Clean my stencil because I want to use my stencil again for the seahorse. I'm just going to give this a quick blast with the heat gun, and then I'll do the seahorse. So I'm going to do the seahorse now. I'm going to place him there, I think. I'm going to use a makeup sponge as well. So I'll start at the bottom, I think. While that's still on, I'm going to add a little bit more. Let's have a look. I've got some blue, reddish blue, so I'm just going to add a little bit of that. Not much. There we go. Turn my sponge around. I'm just going to go around the edges. So kind of like I've got a two-tone. Oh, that looks good. What do you think? I'll just lift it up. Can you see the two-tone? The red on the end coming in. I quite like that. So all I want to add now is my bubbles, but I want to dry that off first. Wipe that up. And I'll give that a quick blast with the heat gun. There we go, so that's nice and dry. And I'm just going to use a bit of masking tape because I don't want all the bubbles and I don't want white getting on, so I'm just going to use a little bit of masking tape just to mask off that. And let's see, don't want that bubble. What do I do then? So there we go. So I've got those bubbles. I'm going to do quite a few bubbles. And I'm using titanium white. And again, I'm going to use a little makeup sponge. Do a few more down here. And I think that is done. Give that a quick blast with the heat gun as well. And now I'm going to use a little bit of black, which doesn't look like it's been used. Must be my new one. I just want a little dot. And I've got a paintbrush. And I'm just going to paint his eye in. There we go. And with my white Signo ball, I'm going to draw around the bubbles. So while I'm doing this, I'll have some music playing. using my paint and my fine brush, I'm just going to write the word or paint the word nature. So all that's left for me to do is date and sign it. So that's my mini mission complete. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It was a nice, quick, simple page to do, but I really enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.